Are you dreaming of a lush green garden but don't have space? A vertical garden is perfect solution today. I am going to take you through step-by-step ideas to create your own beautiful space-saving vertical garden. Whether you live in an apartment or small houses, just want to add the creative touch to your backyard. So welcome back to my channel Home Decor Stunt Ideas. So vertical garden are not just about space saving. They are about turning plain walls into the living art, reducing stress and have even keeping your air fresh and cool. Stay tuned till end because I will share some clever low budget hacks and maintenance tips that will make your vertical garden thrive all year around. So section 1, the first step is choosing the perfect spot. Look for wall, balcony, railing, even the fence that gets lets 4 to 6 hours sunlight every day. If you have shady space, don't worry, you can still grow plant like fence pieces, lilies and potatoes that love in indirect light. Remember, accessibility matter. You should be able to easily water and maintain your plant without using a lather every time. Section 2, there are many ways to build vertical garden and you don't need to spend fortune. You can use wooden plates. They are affordable, easy find and give the rustic look. Hanging planter, perfect for balconies and small kitchens. Pocket planter, to fabric pockets to lightweight and easy to hang on wall. Dye recycled atom, plastic bottles, old carrots in tin can turn into creative planter with just a bit. Choosing a structure that match your space and your style. Section 3, here come the fun part, selecting plants, beginner friendly and vertical. Try mixing 3 types of plants. Herbs like basil, mint, basil and rosemary, perfect for your kitchen needs. Flowers like petunias and marigold and pansies of the pop of color. A plant like money plant and spider plant and succulents for year and the greenery. Always place taller plants to those need more sunlight at the top and moisturizer loving plants near the bottom where water collect naturally. Using a lightweight potting mix, the drains will but still hold moisture. For vertical garden, draining is